Tamam, ben bir ayakları suya sokup geliyorum.
Herkese merhaba. Budapeşte'den Amsterdam'a iniş yaptık. Sizinle birlikte Hollanda'yı gezeceğiz. Bu elimde gördükleriniz tren bileti. Rahat toplu taşıma kullanabilmek için Shop isimli toplu taşıma kartını aldık. İçerisinde en az 20 euro bulunması gerekiyor. Bir Batı Avrupa ülkesi olan Hollanda'nın Karayipler'de 3 adası bulunuyor. Yüz ölçümü yaklaşık Konya kadar diyebiliriz. Alçak topraklar anlamına gelen The Netherlands'in 1/4'ü deniz seviyesinin altında. Tarih boyunca suyla yaşayıp sudan faydalanabilmek için çeşitli teknikler, su setleri geliştirmişler.
Merhaba arkadaşlar, şu anda Utrecht'teyiz. Amsterdam'a trenle yarım saat. Burada bir arkadaşımızı ziyarete geldik. Planımız doğrultusunda Eindhoven, Amsterdam, Lahey'i ziyaret edeceğiz ve bunları sizlerle paylaşmaya çalışacağız. Umarım keyif alırsınız.
Dünyanın en gelişmiş ülkelerinden biri olarak kabul edilen Hollanda 12 bölgeye ayrılmıştır ve başkenti Amsterdam. Resmi dili Flemenkçe. Hollandalıların %85'inden fazlasının İngilizceyi iyi bildiği söylenmekte. Ben bunu bizzat gördüm. Gezdiğim 4 şehirde de İngilizce iletişim konusunda hiçbir sıkıntı yaşamadım. Hollanda'nın dini inançlarına bakacak olursak, halkın %10'u kadarı Protestan, %25'i kadarı Katolik ve geri kalanı agnostik ve ateist. İnsanları oldukça güler yüzlü ve yardımsever. Hafta içi bile dışarıda tüm mekanlar dop doluydu. Sosyalleşmeyi ve dışarıda yemek yemeyi, içmeyi seviyorlar. Stressiz, doğayla iç içe bir yaşam tarzı hakim. Dünyanın en mutlu 5. ülkesi olarak kabul edilmekte. Hukukun üstünlüğü sıralamasında ise 6. Bisiklet kullanımı çok yaygın ve bisiklet hırsızlığı da bir o kadar. Özgürlüğün ülkesi Hollanda, eşcinsel evliliği yasallaştıran ilk ülke. Kenevir içilebilen kafelerde mevcut. Tarım konusunda ise dünyada 2. Müzeler açısından da oldukça zengin. Şimdi hep birlikte Amsterdam'da bulunan Heineken Müzesini geziyoruz. Bilet fiyatı 20 euro. İyi seyirler.
Pick up your bottle here. Şimdi Amsterdam'da Heineken Müzesi'ne geldik. Burada kendi adınıza bira yaptırıyorsunuz. Çıkışta yaptırmanız daha mantıklı müzeyi yazdıktan sonra. Biz de en son buraya uğrayacağız ve kendi adımıza Heineken biralarımızı alacağız. Hadi şimdi müze turuna başlayalım.
So just grab one beer. I'm just gonna ask you, please do not drink this beer just yet, but wait for me because we're gonna do a little tasting together. Ooh, are you excited? I hope so, yeah. So just grab a beer.
Thank you.
And then you tell me, do you feel like a Heineken right now? Yeah. Yes, perfect. Now, if you feel like a Heineken, I think you're completely ready to taste your Heineken, right? Yes. But here we're gonna taste as professionals. 3 easy steps. The first one, you're gonna look at your beautiful glass. Everyone look at your glass. And to show how much we care about this beer, you're gonna say, I love you. Come on, I promise you this beer will taste better. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I love you.
Oh, beautiful. Now this beer has love inside, so tastes even better. You can also see a color in this beer. What color do you see?
Golden.
Yes! One only right answer is golden. It's not amber, it's not yellow. If you say one of these, you are out of the Heineken forever. It's gold. You know why is it gold?
Gold roast.
Because it's rich, it's because the number 1, it's because Heineken is the best and it's made for champions. And what are you? Champions! Yes, of course. Now the second step, you're gonna smell your beer and tell me, what can you smell?
Like Heineken.
Heineken! Can you smell love? Yes. Party. Some few parties, yeah. Can you feel some bad decisions in this beer? No, come on. Heineken is only good decisions. But experts say we can smell bananas from the Heineken A yeast. Can you smell bananas? For real now? No. Don't worry. I don't smell the bananas either. I do have a secret though. If I want to smell the bananas, I keep drinking Heineken. After 3 or 4, you start to smell the bananas. That's the secret to be an expert. Keep drinking Heineken forever, okay? Only Heineken from now on. Okay, now it's time to drink this beer. But before we drink, we need to cheers. But remember that we are in the Netherlands and here we don't say cheers. You know what do we say? Yes, I have in the wall. We say proost. So I will count to 3. You give me a big strong proost and drink your Heineken. Are you ready?
Yes.
If it's not strong, I'm gonna make you do it again. And then you're gonna have to wait more. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Rose!
No, you can do better, right? You can do better. I believe in you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Rose!
1, 2, 3.
Rose!
Oh, now it is. There you go. Drink your Heineken. Enjoy all the flavors. I like to do a little after a big sip. Oh, now I'm jealous of you. Look at that. All of you enjoying your beautiful Heineken while I'm working, and look at you with my Heineken that I cannot drink. I know. Now while you enjoy your beer, I'm going to ask you, when you're done, you can leave your glasses in the glass collectors over there. And then you're going to keep it through downstairs. You know why? Because you have 2 more Heinekens in the bar downstairs waiting for you. Sounds good? Woo! Woo! Yes! So thank you very much. Have fun today and just enjoy the tour. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
We heat it up to create a sugary liquid called wort. Hops are added for the bitter flavor. Yeast converts the sugar into carbon dioxide, alcohol, and a fruity flavor. You have been transformed into a fresh Heineken beer, and now you are ready to be bottled. Good luck.
by now in the tour, you've learned a bit about the history of Heineken, you've learned about the family of Heineken, and about the history of this brewery. Now you're going to learn about the fun part of Heineken, our beer. And behind me we have 4 ingredients. We have our water, barley, hops, and our yeast, but we'll start at the beginning with our water. Did you guys know that 95% of a Heineken beer is water? It's a crazy amount of water. So we need to make sure our water is clean and safe to drink. And the way we do that is we have a water purification process called reverse osmosis. Essentially, these giant machines that pump all the dirt and the bacteria and the iron from the water, make it safe and clean to drink. To the barley. First thing we do is we grind it down so it looks like that. And then we soak it in water until the barley starts. The unfertilized female flower uses 3 properties to our beer. The first one being it gives you the bitter aftertaste of your beer. Secondly, it gives you the foam head of your beer. And the third thing it does is it has a natural preservative called lupulin. And the lupulin will keep your beer fresh for longer. With these 3 ingredients, we then add the 4th and the final ingredient, yeast. You might notice I don't have an example of yeast. And the reason for that is because we use Heineken A yeast as a secret ingredient created 140 years ago by a man called Dr. Eliot. It is a single-celled microorganism that clones itself, so it copies its DNA.
Do you enjoy drinking Heineken as much as we enjoy brewing it for our employees and our shareholders?
Still depending on the local agents to bottle beer for him. So he started doing themselves, and that's why they put some of them, they put their name on the... And what you see on the top is one of our ingredients, which is, you will get to know more about the ingredients, but just remember that the ingredients were brought in here by the boat.
Taze Fries 1987'den beri burada. Soslarıyla ünlü patates kızartmasının tadına bakacağız. Aç bekleyişler. Börek. Börek.
Yok böyle bir şey. Rum böyle bir şey. %100 tavsiye ediyorum. Çok lezzetli.
Sıcak sıcak. Fiyatı ne kadar?
Fiyat biraz pahalı. 5 euro.
Evet, şimdi ise Amsterdam'da kanal turu yapacağız. Biz 19 euroluk olan bir kanal turu seçtik. Şöyle etrafı gösterebilirim. Turun başlamasını bekliyoruz.
But also, Venice can really stink. If you've ever been there in summertime, you might have noticed that it really smells. And it's because the water doesn't flow. Here we actually have a fake current that we create. So we have many locks. Back in the day, we built them to protect us from the sea. The sea was right in front of us back in the day in most parts of Amsterdam. So sometimes people get lost in there, and at the end of some hallways there's a phone. You can call a reception and they come and pick you up.
and they weren't connected to the sewer. They throw everything into the kennels. So the kennels became very dirty and smelly. So the mayor started to low. So you can imagine that you have to bring your own money to buy a houseboat like that.
Dostlar, bizi YouTube'da ve Instagram'da takip etmeyi unutmayın. Sağlıcakla kalın. Hoşça kalın.